Hi there, and welcome back to the Bricker Wicker Den. This time I will be reviewing a Lego set number 704-3 from 1962, released only in that year in North America by Samsonite. This set is also referred to as one of the Samsonite tubes. What makes this set special is the fact that it was exclusively sold by Sears and was not available anywhere else. It was advertised in the 1962 Sears Christmas catalog on page 424 as the smallest of the three Samsonite tubes that were available. Now, the set is similar to Lego set 703 from Samsonite that was released in a vertical rectangular box in 1961, which was available in most department stores, which I described in an earlier video. Both sets have the same models displayed on the outside. The bottom and the top of this tube consists of a metal cap, if you wish, that is pressed into that cardboard. This means that there were no flaps to open or close the set. The tube had a spring-like system about 3 to 4 inches from the top that you had to press in order to open it, which caused serious damage to the tube, as you can see here. It is therefore very hard as a collector to find the Sears exclusive Samsonite tubes in a very good condition. Besides the damage to the tube, in many cases, if you find these for sale, the top part will even be missing. Now, the rarity score of the set is a 5 out of 6. Now, the set comes with basic instructions that kind of folded in 4, and that give you a general idea on how to use the bricks to build the models, which was typical for that time, rather than that step-by-step instruction. This one obviously has seen some better days, and these type of instructions, they could be found in pretty much all of the Samsonite tubes. There's also an advertising leaflet included that served back then as some sort of a catalog, and on the back it lists mostly sets that only contained spare parts or extra parts. This set is advertised as containing 165 pieces, which in my opinion is still up for debate. The bricks in this set were made of cellulose acetate and have that pip on the short side, way on the bottom, and the plates that are included are that old style, which are referred to as that waffle style bottom. A total of 14 models can be made using the bricks that are included in the set from 1962. Now, as usual, I made all of these models partly to see how many bricks I would really need. Again, I decided not to film the making of these, but instead I inserted pictures of the individual sets. Well, I hope that this video was again very informative. I shed some light on these mysterious Samsonite tubes available in Sears only. Don't forget, if you like my channel, please subscribe. And remember, keep bricking out there, and bye.